Taking a can of Grand's biscuits, I'm just kind of smushing them down. And then I am taking a box of these hash brown patties, like the kind you get at McDonald's. I'll go ahead and put these on top. And for our next layer, I'm gonna cook up some sausage. This is country mild. We're gonna just dump that all on top and spread this around. Our next layer is, this is 10 strips of bacon that I've cut into, each strip got cut into thirds. Then we're gonna set this aside while we make our filling. I've got a dozen eggs in here, and to that we're gonna be adding just a splash of half and half, about quarter cup, some garlic powder, some paprika, some onion powder, some seasoning salt, some chives, and some black pepper. Go ahead and give that a really good mix. And once that's mixed together, bring this back and pour this all over the top. Top this with 2 cups of your favorite cheese blend. I'm using a cheddar jack here. It's on top of everything. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Look at how golden brown it got. It looks so good and it smells amazing in here. Let me go ahead and top this with some chopped up green onions. And then also some parsley. This would be amazing at like a weekend brunch or even like an Easter brunch. Just gonna go ahead and cut into this. Oh yeah. Doesn't that look good? Okay, I'm gonna dig right on in. Get a little bit of everything.